Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of allowing only friends of friends to look you up with your phone number on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile photo from the top right corner. Step 3. Click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Click on Settings. Step 5. Click on Privacy. Step 6. Next to Who can look you up using the phone number you provided? Click on Edit. Step 7. Click on the drop-down menu to open it. Step 8. Select Friends of Friends. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that only friends of your friends can look you up using your phone number on Facebook. This allows you to maintain your privacy while still expanding your network and connecting with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends who might also want to learn how to control their privacy settings on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.